Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. If you are new, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video and watch this complete video for better understanding how to solve numerator with denominator and also in numerator another denominator. So in this, first of all, we solve 2 multiply 3 upon 2 divide 2 upon 3 divided by 3. So in numerator our choice to first simplify denominator, first is simplify left to right or right to left. So here we solving right to left. Okay, so 2 multiply 3 is 6 over 2. Divide change into multiplication and reciprocal 3 upon 2. Okay, and divided by 3 is same. Now 6 multiply 3 is numerator multiply with numerator. 6 multiply 3 divided by 2 multiply 2. Okay, and divided by 3. Now 6 multiply 3 is 6 multiply 3 is 6 multiply 3 is 18 divided by 2 multiply 2 is 4. Okay, and divided by 3. Now we can write here 18 divided by 4 multiply 3. Okay, this is place change. 18 divided 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 3. So 18 divided by 12. Okay, so here 6 time and 3 time. 6 table on 12 2 time and 3 time. When we solve 3 upon 2, 3 over 2, and we will get the answer 3 upon 2, and we will get the answer 3 over 2, and we will get the answer 1.5. Okay, now we verify this answer our question. So here we write equal sign using calculator. So we check the answer right or wrong. So 1.5 this and 1.5 this. It means our answer is also right. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.